Welcome back to the channel. And look, I know I talk a lot about ChatGPT, but we're gonna keep on talking about it because they're doing some amazing things. Now guess what? They rolled out some new features for their paid subscription for the ChatGPT Plus subscribers. It's $20 a month, but now you can add plugins. So in this video, we're gonna show you guys how to book a vacation with ChatGPT. This is gonna blow your mind.
All right, first step, we gotta get you in ChatGPT. So now that we on the website, you're gonna have a drop down if you got the paid subscription for plugins. And this is what the plugin store gonna look like, man. So I saw kayak. I said, let me get that, because we booking a trip, right? So got the kayak jump, went to the second page, and then I saw Expedia. So I said, give me that too, right? So now that jump installed. Now we can head back to the home screen, and we're gonna command ChatGPT, but we gotta make sure the plugins is active. So you see them plugins, they active. Now it's time to command ChatGPT on what we would like to do with our trip, where we trying to go. So we try to give it as much information as possible, but if you don't give it all the information that it needs, it will ask you. So right here, we just commanding. So I'm basically just telling the robot that, you know, I'm going to Invest Fest August 24th or 25th to the 27th. And it's going to be at the Georgia World Congress Center. I'm going to need a flight. I'm going to need a room. And I'm going to need a car. And I ain't trying to spend more than $1,500 on all of this. And then it goes to work for me once I put that command in. So now it's asking me like, yo, where you flying from? Because I forgot to tell it where I was leaving from. I know where I'm going, but I ain't tell it where I was leaving from. So now I'm telling it where I'm leaving from. So now it can plug that information in and get me the results that I'm looking for. And within a few seconds, it already started cooking up information. So it's giving me now some places that I could stay, gave me hotels. It gives you a little bit of information about where it's located and how much it costs per night. It also gives you a link. And when you click on those links, they're already set up for you to book. So it already has the dates, the nights, and everything that you need already entered in. So it's doing like something that a travel agent would do or an assistant would do, and have everything kind of already ready to go for you. So, and then boom, you got the pictures, because the plugins now allow for it to, you know, kind of work more like the internet or a web browser. So now you got your listings right there. You can get an idea of what the rooms are looking like. And now it is putting together the flights. And I'm already seeing good numbers, even though I don't mess with Spirit, for $40 something a ticket. Meaning that one way 40 and on the way back another $40 something. That ain't bad, especially when I gave it a budget of $1,500, and it's gonna get you there for just $100. And then of course it's gonna cook up the car or the rental car as well. So take a look at the prices on that while it's cooking that up. But we already see hotels for $160 a night. So you talking 3 nights, $160, $150. You talking $400-$500. You know what I'm saying, for a hotel, a nice hotel. You talking $100 for your flight. So you around $600. And then for the rental cars, you know what I'm saying, we looking at another $400 total. So you talking $1,000, and you got $500 left over to play with. But while I was doing this, I clicked on a few links, and I noticed that the dates that I gave ChatGPT, like right now I'm checking out the rooms, right? I'm like, all right, let me see what type of room it's putting me in. Oh yeah, this joint nice. So like I said, it's putting me in top tier type of environments, top tier rooms. It's not putting you in that shabby, because it's trying to save you some money. It's booking you a nice reservation, and it give you options of the rooms. But like I said, as I was doing this, I looked at something I clicked on. I think it was for the flight. Boom, I clicked on the flight. And what I noticed was that the dates was off. It had me in July when I told it I was trying to go out in August. So that threw me off. But it was a simple fix, and I'm gonna show you guys in this video what I did in ChatGPT to command it to make that change. And it still didn't fix it for me, and I think it's just only for the flights. But like I said, for as far as it got me for this, you know what I'm saying? Some of it I didn't even mind doing manual work. So I went back, I talked to one of my my buddies, and I was like, yo, the joint gave me the wrong date. And he was like, bro, just tell it messed up. It's gonna be like, sorry. I was like, all right, for real? Like, all right, let me try that out. So I go back in and I'm like, yo, check the dates, because I asked for August. And I just was doing it just to see if it was gonna do what my boy said it was gonna do, which was apologize and correct itself, kind of like a human. And it was very human-like, man. It was like, oops, my bad. Let me correct that. And it went back and it did its thing. So it pulled up 3 options for everything I asked for: the hotel room, the rental car, and it also gives you plenty of options for the flights when you click on the links for the flight options. And they were quite affordable. I even went in, clicked on some of them to see where it takes you. Now, I did notice that the dates were still the same, so I just had to go in and manually just switch that joint for the flights. But for the hotel reservations and everything else, things were pretty smooth. So all in all, man, it found all of these things that I asked for well within my budget. I definitely recommend people checking this feature out on ChatGPT because it over-delivered. In my opinion, that just don't stay anywhere and fly with any airline. And I'm looking at the quality of the rooms it's picked out. It's picked out rooms that I would actually stay in. So that was a plus. Even with the rental cars, you know what I'm saying? On certain trips, I would travel alone. I don't mind being in a mid-size SUV or something like that. I'm a tall fella. And at $47 a day, you know what I'm saying, that fits my budget and also my style.
Just like that, guys, y'all seen for your own 2 eyes how you could book a trip with ChatGPT. And the beauty of what I like about it is that you can put in your budget, you can put in specifics, and it's gonna make sure it does the work for you. Almost like a $20 a month travel agent. But that's not all you can do with it. Stay tuned, we got more videos where we'll be keeping you updated on the plugins that are coming out and what you can do with ChatGPT. It's your boy DMV Computer Man. Now, if this video helped you out, if you about to go book a trip right now, at least do one thing for me. Like the video and share it. That's how we keep this thing going. I'm out.